Dear students, today we are going to discuss mechanism of oxymercuration demercuration reaction. So as you know that when propene react with mercuric acetate in presence of water followed by reduction with sodium borohydrate, propane to all, that is 2-degree alcohol is formed. But what is the mechanism behind these reactions? We will discuss in its mechanism. So see here, mechanism, we having propene, it reacted with mercuric acetate. This is the reaction between these. Here you will see that this propene having a pi bond and HgOAc Hol 2 is, this one is electron deficient. Why? Because these electrons is withdrawn by oxygen atom, hence this Hg becomes positively charged. Now to fulfill the requirement of electron, we can say that nucleophilic attack will occur at Hg atom. As a result, what will happen? This Hg will attach with this carbon atom. Question arises, this carbon can also attach because it having the shared electron. But answer is here that if this electron will shifted to this direction, that means this carbon, a positive charge will develop to this carbon atom. It is a secondary carbocation, temporary formed. Hence, this Hg will attach with this carbon atom along with 2 acetate ion. Now, after that what happened? That this acetate ion is eliminated along with its one electron. So ultimately a cyclic compound is formed. How? So once the electron is taken by this acetate ion, as a result this Hg which having more number of electron, it suddenly attached with this carbon atom and form a cyclic compound. Now after that, here you have seen that this carbon having partially positive charge, and to neutralize this, electron is shared by water molecule. So this water molecule will share its electron and ultimately a temporary bond between water molecule and CH is formed. Now as you will see that oxygen becomes positively charged because oxygen has given its electron to this carbon atom. So this oxygen along with hydrogen is unstable. Now this hydrogen is taken by this acetate ion. Since it will leave its position, it forms positively charged, and these electrons fulfill the requirement of the positive charge. Now the scene is here, we having CH3CH, OH and CH2 HgOSc. Now after that what happened? That this, as soon as this compound is this hydrogen is eliminated, resulting into the formation of OH, CH3CHOH, CH2, OH, HgOAc. Now this acetate ion has taken hydrogen from the water molecule. So this compound on reduction with sodium borohydrate, it is a strong reducing agent and it provide H minus H plus hydride ion. As a result, what happen? This bond breaks and hydrogen is attached. So here we having CH3, CHOH and CH2. Hence we have seen that a compound CH3, CHOH, CH3, that is 2-degree alcohol or propane 2-ol is formed. So the reaction is, once you will see that the reaction looks very simple, but the mechanism is difficult. So every student should know the mechanism, what is mechanism, how reactions form. Thank you.